Hey, welcome guys. So in this video I'm going to show you that how can you make 3D audio or say 3D, 5D or 8D audio using Audacity. So I have made a 3D audio, as you can hear it. I will make it there, then I will teach you that how can you make this kind of audio. So if you use your headphone, you can clearly listen that this audio is kind of 3D. So how can you make this kind of 3D audio using Audacity? So let's start. So I'm going for Audacity, which I have here. Now I will go for a new one. So if you don't have Audacity, it's free to install. You can find it on Google and you can install it freely. So if you install Audacity, now what you can do, go for file, go to import and import the audio. I have this audio named by tiptoe.mp3, which I found from YouTube. It's free. So I'm going to make 3D audio for this one. So what is that? If you import any audio file, it has a left channel and right channel like this. So the top one is left, down one is right. So what we are going to do, we are going for like a tiptoe like this. This is menu. Click on this menu and click on split stereo to mono. So we have split the stereo file into the mono one. So now it has this left channel different and right channel different. So I will going to pan it to the left. The top one is going to left and the bottom one is going to the right. So this channel means, like, you can hear if you use your headphone, this top one goes to your left ear and the bottom one goes to your right ear. So this is the use of this channel. So now how to make this 3D audio? So let's first zoom this wave file, like this wave, and I'm going to go for 5 seconds like this, so I can clearly see from 0 to 5 seconds or 0 to 10 seconds. So now what we are going to see, we are going for this envelope tool. Click on this and now click on this 0 from here like this and go to 5 seconds like this and then decrease it. So what happens in the left channel, the audio is going to decrease from 0 second to 5 second, and for the right channel we are going to increase it from 0 second to 5 seconds. So what happens, the audio will move from left to right channel in this way. So the thing is that we have to just make this, like, you can do this for the interval of 5 seconds or 10 seconds, whichever you want to. Like, you can make this kind of envelope. So now after 5 seconds I'm going for this 10 seconds. I will increase this and I will decrease this like this, and then again you can go for 15 seconds, you can decrease this, go for down, increase this. So what you have to do, you have to just increase and decrease this file, this audio voice in two different left and right channel. And if you want, you can keep this audio for some 10 seconds or more than 10 seconds if you want in the left channel or any channel you want. So I'm going to keep it for 30 seconds here, and after 30 seconds I am going to decrease it and I'm going to increase in the right channel. So like this, if I go for 35 here, I will decrease this and I will increase here, and I will keep this right channel for 35 to 45, and then going for 50 I will increase this. So you have to do this for your whole video. It will take some time, it's time consuming, but it's the very good process for making 3D, 5D or 8D sound. So now again make it bigger here. I am going for 5 seconds gap again, like this. So if you do like this, you can do for the whole audio. You can play with this, like if you want. You can minimize both for this, and what happens, suddenly you can increase, like for only 1 second you can increase this large here, keep it like for 1 second again here, and decrease it like this, increase it like this. You can play with 1 second interval also. So it's up to you how you want to make this 3D effect or 5D effect or 8D effect in your audio. So like this you can make this 3D audio, and we are going to play with this envelope tool. Now I am going for only 1 minute 25 seconds. Now what I am going to do, if you done this for the whole song, then the main thing is that now you have to click this song, like the left channel, and then go to effects and go to change, go to bass and treble. Here you can increase the bass of left or right, whichever you want. So let's decrease, like let's put bass 0 for this and treble like 25 for this, and if you play it, then it's fine, it seems fine for me. So I applied this one, and for the right channel I'm going to use again what happened to this. Okay, so I will close this and I will click on this song, go to effect, go to bass and treble, and now for this I will increase the bass up to 25 and I will decrease the treble. I'll click apply and close this. Now if you see, the effect will be more nice, but the bass is more. You can decrease it if you want. Click on this channel, go to effect, and you can play around with bass like this. And after doing this, what you have to do, you have to again increase this wave, and then click on the bottom channel, use this time shift tool and shift it very little like this. And now if you play it, it will sound like 3D, 5D or 8D. So you can use this thing for making 3D sound effects. So the one which I previously made, it seems like this. So if you have made this 3D audio, so now how can you export this audio into MP3 file or wave file? So go to file, go to export, and you can click on export as wave. Here go to 32-bit and you can write your name and you can click on save. You can give details here if you want, and drag all these details you can give it, and just click on OK. So your audio or your 3D audio has been exported as a wave file. You can export it also as a MP3. So if you like this my video, like it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching the video.